Ito banda lang gulot brake ko yan. Banda. Lock na rin close up.
We've got, of course, our balloon flight happening right now, and the Paragliders, they're going to be doing a bit of an exhibition as the field is clear. They're just moving around in the background and waiting for their chance to
Pangatlo.
do their own exhibition. Right after that, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be having ultralight and microlight formation flying and flower bombing. That's going to be happening a little later on. And then that's about 7:45 this morning. So that will be about almost now sundown. And after that, we're going to be having the Leonard Halili Aerobatic Show. This is one of the exciting moves of our program.